Meaning of heterosexual.
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 Heterosexual. The term heterosexual refers to someone who is sexually attracted to individuals of the opposite sex. This is a term used to describe sexual orientation and is one of the three main categories alongside homosexuality and bisexuality. Heterosexuality is typically considered the norm in many cultures and societies, and those who identify as heterosexual may face little to no discrimination or stigma. However, it is important to recognize that sexual orientation is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human identity, and everyone's experiences and feelings are unique.